Hello, this is Coach Morrison. Today I'm going to teach you a very special technique to combine numbers so you can do mental math quicker, but also you can see how numbers flow. So let's start with an example. If I were to write down 17 and 24, okay, what would the answer be? Now you would look at this and you say, well, it's got to be like 41, but that's not what it is. It's not talking about putting 17 and 24. It's putting the numbers on the side together. So what happens is when you have two numbers, what you want to do, you want to add these two numbers together and leave this number alone. Okay. So the rule is that you add the tens and you place the ones. So for example, if you had 7 and then you had a 4, you would just place it and it'll be 174. So what you have here is you have 17 and a 2 and a 4. So again, what you end up with is you have 1, 9, and then you place the 4 there. That's your answer right there. So it's 1, 9, 4. Okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to do a series of numbers and you're going to see how this flows. 2, 4, 3, 7. Okay. So we have 2, 4, 3, 7. So what's our new number? It's going to be, right, it's going to be 2, 7, 7. All right. We have 5, 6, 2, 8. What's the new number? Right. It's going to be 5, 8, 8. Starting to get it? We have 7, 6, 3, 4. Again, this is all we're going to do ourselves with right now. This is what we add together. So it's going to be 7, 9, and you place the 4. There it is. All right. Quiz time right now. All right, let's start. We have 6, 3, and 4, and 5, 4. 6, 3, 5, 4. So what's the new number going to be? The new number is going to be 6, 8, 4. Next we have 4, 2, 6, 1. So it's going to be 4, 8, 1. Next it's going to be 5, 7, 1, 6. It'd be 5, 8, 6. And lastly, we have 8, 4, 5, 9, which is going to be 8, 9, 9. You see how that goes? All right. So again, you practice that by just putting down 4 numbers and then adding the numbers in the middle. Let's look at the rule one more time. You have a number like this here. So again, you only deal with the middle numbers. You take the tens of the first number here, the tens, and add it to the ones of the second number here. So that's going to be a 6. And then you just place the ones. So your number would be 7, 6, 7. That's how it works, okay? It's easy to see. Okay, so now what we're going to apply this technique to actual math, okay? What we're going to do is this. We're going to do 79 times 6. Okay. So we're going to do 79 times 8, and we're going to break it down, making the two pairs, okay? So first of all, you're going to go 7 times 8, and that's going to be 56. And then you're going to go 9 times 8, and that's going to be 72. So you have your pairs. And what you're going to do, you're going to add 7 to 56. So that's going to be 6, 3, 2, and that's the answer, okay? So you see how that works. We always take this, make 2, and then do our technique. All right. So we're going to hit this off. This won't be on camera. All right, so now let's do another one. Let's go 84 times 7. Again, we're going to go 56 and 28. Okay? Okay, I made a mistake there. But one number was invisible, so I kind of fucked up. Okay, 1 second. Let me erase that. I have to do a reshare this one. Okay, forget that. Okay, let's do another one. This time we'll do 86 times 8. So we go 8 times 8 is 64, and 6 times 8 is 48. So our numbers are here. We add the 4 to the 4, and so now we got 6, 8, 8. See how that works? All right, let's do another one. Again, we're going to practice this so that you're comfortable, and we'll take it from there. So this time I'm going to put the number down, and I'm not going to tell you what it is. Okay? I'm going to put a number down, and then I'm going to ask you what the pairs are going to be. So 27 times 8. So what's our first pair? Okay? So that's going to be 2 times 8 is 16, and our second pair is going to be 56. Okay, very good. So now you have that. And now you add 16 plus 5 is 21, and 6 left over. So the answer is going to be 216. All right, very good. So you should be getting a sense of what you have to do as you're going through this, because it gets easier and easier. And this is the prelim to mental math. So this is the prelim to mental math. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do 52 times, let's do 9. Okay, so 2 times 9. So what's our first pair? 5 times 9 is 45. Okay, 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, so now what's the answer? You see 4, 5 plus 1 is 4, 6, and 8. And that's the answer. All right, good. Now, this is going to test you, but we're going to see if we can get this done. All right. So now we have 34 times 8. Okay, so now what I want you to do is I want you to give me the answer based on what we've done. Okay, so 34 times 8. We know that 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, so in our mind we can see 24. Don't write it down, just see 24. And then we can see 4 times 8 is going to be 32. Okay, so on this side we had 24 plus 32. So 24 plus 3 is going to be 27, and then we have 2 left over. So 2, 7, and 2. And that's the answer. Okay. So you're moving towards mentally being able to do this. Okay. And so that's the whole goal. And as you do it, it gets easier and easier. You're moving into a different realm. Okay, again, let's do this one mentally. Okay, 67 times 5. Okay, our first pair is going to be 30. So it's going to be 3 and a 0. So we know when we have a 0, whatever comes next just covers that 0. So it's going to be 3, you have a 0, and then 35. So it's going to be 335 is the answer. 335. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, again, because of this, we have 30, and then the 35 just simply covered the 0, giving us the answer of 335. Okay, so you start to see this as you do this. But again, this is all about going from thinking about it, writing it out, to just thinking about it and just writing it out without writing anything down. Okay, so, but that's going to be our goal. Let's do 72 times 8. Okay, and you're going to find some things coming up a lot. Some things are kind of familiar. Like here, we dealt with 56 before. Okay, so we know it's 56, and then you have 16. So you have 56, but now it's 57, and then a 6. Okay, so it's 5, 7, 6, because 56 became 57, and then the 6 from 16 remained with the 6. That's how it gets done. So to me, this is a great technique for you to practice every day, until you get to a point where you can just do it. Let's go again. Let's go 84 times 3. All right. Again, we dealt with this before. We know it's a 24. Okay. So 24 is in our mind. We can see it. And then we see a 12. We see a 12. So 252, right? Okay. 24 plus 12 is 252. Okay. So 252. And we're getting better and better doing this. All right. I'm going to give you another one. And we'll just see what we get. Let's go 47 times, let's do 8. Okay. 47 times 8. Okay. 32. Okay. So we see 32 in our mind. Just think about it. And we know this is 56. So 32 and 5 is 3, 7, 6. Okay. So 32 plus 5 is going to be 3, 7, and 6. That's the answer. At this point now, you're starting to be able to understand how it works. You can see the pattern. You see it from training. And you're now able to do mental math. So congratulations, because you deserve it. And also, if you find this video to be beneficial to you, please give it a like. Please support the channel, support me, and let me know that what I'm doing is beneficial to you and your children, to your aspirations of doing mental math. Because this is very important to me. Okay, so what did we learn today? Well, we learned a lot. We learned that combining numbers is important. What did we learn today? We learned a lot. We learned that combining numbers is important. It's important to know how the pairs come out, how to add the numbers in the middle, how to basically look at the numbers as they flow from the 10s to the 1s. And if it's a single number, you just place it. If it's a 10, you add. If it breaks base 10, it's no problem. It's very simple math. Math is made for you to solve problems. Math should not be a problem. Okay? So again, thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, and come back for more. Come back for more, because I really need your support. I know there are people out there who do things that are more popular. They do things that are more titillizing. Or I know people like my dick. My dick is big. I got a big ass dick. I love it. So thanks for watching this video. And if you like it, please share it, practice it, find someone to teach it, and also come back for more, because I'm making these videos with you in mind to make sure that you understand that the importance of math goes a long way. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.